Failure isn't an option. Whoever said that clearly never tried to do anything hard. Designing a car is hard. Competing with the best in the world is harder. Making a car that captures the lost emotion and fading spirit of the cars we grew up loving seems damn near impossible. It's why we hired the best in the world, those who possess fresh ideas and vitality, and also experienced veterans. It's who we are. It's going to take new thinking to capture that old feeling. You may not know the names of our engineers, but you know their work. They're driven by intense emotions and pure passion. They are inspired by the same race cars and concepts you see when you close your eyes at night. The result? A hypercar designed to inspire millions of new enthusiasts. A car that is a feast for the senses. A car with a soul. This is Apollo. And this isn't our car, it's our mission.